How fast do cities really move? We live in a world full of motion. Cars zoom, trains flash by, and planes streak through the skies. But amidst this rush, have you ever stopped to think about how fast your city is moving right now? Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride to discover just how speedy your urban jungle really is. Welcome to our channel. First stop on our world tour, London. Did you know that at the equator, the rotational speed of the Earth is approximately 921 miles per hour? That's faster than the speed of sound. As a result, you would experience a slight decrease in your weight due to the centrifugal force created by the Earth's rotation. However, as you move towards the poles, the rotational speed decreases, resulting in a slight increase in weight. At the North Pole, the rotational speed is zero because it is at the axis of rotation. Therefore, you would weigh slightly more there than at the equator. Next up, Miami. Here's a fun fact for you. If you were to travel from London to Miami, you wouldn't just be changing time zones, you'd also be increasing your speed. That's because the Earth rotates faster at the equator where Miami is located than it does at London. So as you sip your Cuban coffee in Miami, you'll be moving faster than your friends back in London. Now, let's talk about the poles. At the North Pole, the rotational speed of the Earth is zero. This is because the North Pole is at the axis of rotation of the Earth. On the other hand, at the South Pole, the rotational speed is approximately 880 miles per hour. That's pretty fast. But what about the cities? How fast do they really move? Let's take New York and Sydney, for example. Both cities are located almost exactly 90 degrees of longitude apart. This means that if you were to travel from New York to Sydney, you would be traveling east or west, and the rotational speed of the Earth would be your constant companion. As you approach Sydney, the rotational speed of the Earth will increase until you reach a speed of approximately 921 miles per hour at the equator. So while you're taking in the sights of Sydney Harbor, just remember that you're also moving faster than a speeding bullet. Now, let's head back to New York. The rotational speed here is a bit slower than in Sydney, coming in at around 730 miles per hour. Finally, let's take a look at the great spin of the Earth. The Earth rotates on its axis with a speed of approximately 921 miles per hour at the equator. This means that every place on Earth is moving at a different speed depending on its latitude. At the North Pole, the rotational speed is 0 miles per hour, and at the South Pole, it is 880 miles per hour. So whether you're in London, Miami, New York, Sydney, or any other city on Earth, just remember that you're always moving, and the Earth's rotation is a never-ending cycle that keeps us all spinning through space. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next time.